How to get $300 Temu promo code. Welcome to the channel and let's start with a tutorial. First and foremost, open a web browser on your PC and search for Coupon Follow. You will be landing in the Coupon Follow official homepage. To search for Temu, just tap on the search bar and search for Temu. Tap on the suggestion. Now in here you will find various of coupon codes. You can also enter email address and tap on Get Alert to never miss out from an offer. Tap on Show Coupon Code. Tap on Copy. Then tap on Redeem at Temu to use it for instance. You will be redirected to the official webpage of Temu. Make sure to log into your account. If you do not have one, sign up for now. Then you can just go ahead and purchase an item, then tap on Add to Cart. Make sure to select the quantity and the item category as well. Once you tap on Add to Cart, in your order summary, you have to go ahead and tap on Checkout option. You can also express checkout using your PayPal. Then to continue with the process, you have to fill out this form. Then again tap on Continue to Payment. When you are paying for your purchase, you will find a dialog box where it says Apply Promo Code. You simply have to paste the promo code that you recently copied, then tap on Apply. You should see some of the discount in your grand total. And that's pretty much it for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.